Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and today I'm so excited because about 2 weeks ago I got the seeds from my lemons, from a lemon, and I put them in a paper napkin with water, and today I opened them and look how much they have grown. I'm gonna show it to you. This was the seed. 1 second. Let me turn this way. This was the seed, and it has grown a lot. So today I'm going to make them in a pot in a soil. So I will grow the lemon tree. And let's get started on how I did this procedure. Hey guys, and welcome back. So I took a seed from the lemon, and we are just going to wipe it in a tissue, in a napkin. Okay. Now what we have to do is, from the top part of the lemon seed, we are going to remove the first layer of the seed. You can see I started removing some layers, so we need to remove them all. And here it is. I removed the first layer of the seed. Now this helps for the seed to open more faster, and for the roots to come out much faster, because if you leave the first layer, it will have to break through the first layer as well. So with this procedure, the roots will grow more faster. Okay, so now the next step is get a napkin, place it in the middle, get some water, and what we're going to do is put your hands in the water and flick water on the napkin. We don't need the napkin to be all with water, so we just need it to be damp. But see that you have basically all the napkin filled with some water. Okay, ending up with something like this. So now the next step is we are going to fold the napkin, okay, so we have the seed is over here, and we're going to cover it with a piece of plastic stretch. Okay, and fold the plastic. Okay, and leave it somewhere inside in a warm place and in a dark place. So it has to be a warm, dark place. To be honest, I left it in my kitchen in a box near the microwave, so it got heat from my oven because it's underneath the microwave, and it is a dark place because it was behind the microwave. And you have to leave it for 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, you open everything and you will find something like this. And we're going to plant them. I'm going to show you how to plant them now. So I have these, but you can plant them in ordinary pots. So take some soil. Now this gets quite messy to fill the pots in. You see the nails will come really ugly, and so if you don't want this, just wear gloves. And so we filled the soil in the pots. Okay, I have 6 pots filled because I have 6 seeds. So take the seed. The green part has to stay outside, upwards, and the root inside the soil. So what we're going to do is we're going to, with our finger, we're going to push a hole and just plant the seed in and cover. And push a bit with your finger to make the soil more steady. And do the same with the others. Now, how it grows, I have to get back to you because this is the first time doing this, because they have just grown and I found out that they have grown today. So it is the first time planting the lemon seed. So I will get back to you in another video and will show you how this plant has grown. Just to give you a tip on what videos I'm going to be doing in the next few weeks on how to grow more vegetables at your own house. I am going to show you some vegetables that have grown, that I planted myself and they have grown. Here we have them already. They are planted. You can see over here. You can see it's planted over there. So it's very easy to plant them in. Just push with your fingers, put them in and cover with the soil and push the soil to firm the soil in. And water them every day. And we just wait and watch them grow. So give them some sun and water every day. So let's go and check out what fruit and vegetables are growing for me. So here I have potatoes. I will be making videos on how to grow all these that I'm going to show to you. So here I have potatoes, and they are done from potatoes that I have bought. Hello. So look, they are growing. No seeds, just real potatoes. Here I have the sunflower seeds. Here I'm trying to grow strawberries from real strawberries. Let's see how that goes. Here I showed you as well in a video, I have the lettuce and carrots. You can see the seeds. I have just done them yesterday on how to do those. But those are seeds. I forgot the name of this. You can use this with salad. It is called micro something, but I can't remember what it is called exactly. But after 4 days that I plant these seeds, they had grown this much. Here I have tomatoes growing from real tomatoes, not from seeds. These are my herbs. This is sage. This is mint. I have even flowers coming up from this pot. And here I have some dill. This I bought it ready. So I just take care of it to grow. Here I have carrots. If you can see, there's the carrots over there. They grow this nice plant. You can add it with salad. Here I planted garlic, and they're growing. Real garlic. Over here I have the spring onions. I bought spring onions. I used them to cook. Then I did them again, and they are growing. Here I'm experimenting on marrows. We'll see how that goes. These are my flowers. I love flowers. Here I have some lettuce growing, and these are marrows. This I bought it already grown, so I'm just waiting for the marrows to grow now. And these are other types of lettuce that you can add with the salad. Bought them already like that as well, already grown. That is rucola. And these are chives. Okay guys, so stay tuned for these videos coming. I will show you how I grew all my fruit and vegetables. I will post videos separately on how to do them. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so you can see these videos. And have a nice day or a nice night wherever you are, and take care.
Bye. I'm doing painting. It's beautiful. And I'm going to do them. It's beautiful, and I'm going. And bye. I'm going.